Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick would.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a real life messy house clean with me. The house is trashed on this night. As you can see, I'm showing you the befores. We had just gotten back from vacation. We had a blast, but we didn't unpack right away. And if you're like me, if I don't unpack my suitcase like the minute I get home, my house can get out of hand really quickly. So there was stuff everywhere, clutter everywhere. We're not going to be doing a lot of deep cleaning tonight, but we are going to pick up a lot of clutter and organize and get the house straightened up. So if you need cleaning motivation, go ahead, get up, get cleaning. This video is about 10 minutes long and let's get something done together. As I mentioned before, this is a real life cleaning video. It's not going to be super fancy or have a lot of frills. It's going to be pretty casual, laid back. I'm just going to talk to you guys and catch up because it feels like forever since I filmed a video. Again, like I said, we were on vacation and I just took some time off and unplugged and spent some quality time with my family, and it was amazing. But I wanted to let you guys know that I'm planning on doing my own variation of Vlogmas. It's not going to be the entire month, but I'm going to do an entire week of uploads starting December 17th going through Christmas Eve. So I'm really excited about that. Stay tuned. And I also have some awesome content coming your way in the new year. I have a new series coming up. I don't want to give too much away, but it's going to be a homemaking series where I cover various topics of taking care of and managing your home that I'm really excited about. So make sure you're subscribed. If you're new around here, I would absolutely love to have you.
Racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the moon.
And now I have my helper Caleb with me. He wanted to show you guys that Iowa pine scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It smells like a Christmas tree. It's so good, but he's just gonna help me. He's wiping down all of the countertops tonight, and I am wiping down all of our stainless steel appliances. I'm using the Method Steel for Real spray.
Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters.
Grayson loves to come downstairs and ask for a snack at nighttime before he goes to sleep. It's kind of his routine. Basically, he's just trying to find any excuse to come back downstairs one more time, but that's okay. Caleb got him back in bed. And while we're cleaning the kitchen tonight, we're listening to a parenting podcast that was super interesting. I'll definitely leave a link down below. And let me know in the comments, what do you like to watch or listen to while you guys clean? Caleb likes to poke fun at me whenever I light the candles after cleaning a room, and so he insisted, since he was in the video tonight, that he wanted to light the candle. So that's why we're laughing here, and you'll just see us kind of giggle. But now I'm moving on to the kitchen table. I'm just going to clear it off, wipe it down with that same Mrs. Meyer spray, and while I'm doing that, Caleb's going to go ahead and sweep the floors. We were in Wisconsin for Thanksgiving on vacation and we had a blast. We were visiting my family and we got over 18 inches of snow. My kids have never seen hardly any snow at all. So for them to see that much snow was a blast. We spent almost every day playing outside, sledding. Emma was like a sledding pro by the end of the trip. It was so much fun, just good quality family time. But I will say, now that we're back, there is nothing like being home, being in your own space, getting it clean and fresh, especially now that we're entering officially the Christmas season. I cannot wait to just be home, spend a lot of time here with my family, creating new holiday traditions. This is only our second Christmas in this house, so I definitely want to come up with some new traditions this year. Let me know in the comments below what's something that your family does at home for Christmas and during the Christmas time. So I have this joke that Caleb is a sloth when it comes to sweeping. He is so slow. You guys, this is sped up like 200 times or whatever, and it still looks like he is normal speed. But now I'm just gonna quickly put up the bar stools. He's filling up the mop, and we're just gonna mop the floors really quick. We're just using hot water and some Pine Sol. I think he threw a couple essential oils in there as well. But you'll see I'm mopping here. He's gonna finish up the mopping because a load of laundry finished, and I'm gonna go grab that really quick. Caleb and I typically trade off or take turns when it comes to our evening cleaning routine. One of us will clean up really quick and tidy, and the other will help put the kids to bed, and we usually flip-flop to some extent. We're trying really hard to be diligent about going to bed with a clean home. We've actually talked about doing a cleaning challenge where we vlog or just kind of film for 7 days every single night and make that a little bit of a challenge, going to bed with a clean house. Let me know, would you guys be interested in something like that? I'm really curious. I think it would be really fun. If you're looking around and wondering where any of the Christmas decor is from, I have an entire Christmas playlist I'll have linked here, and I have clean and decorate with me videos as well as a Christmas home tour where I go through almost every piece and tell you where it's from or where I got it. So make sure you go check those out. Christmas in my heart, birthday. I'm just lighting my marshmallow fireside candle from Bath & Body Works. That is my all-time favorite winter Christmas scent. I've been buying it for years. And I'm just gonna fluff up the pillows, and then I'm gonna give the carpets a really good vacuuming. They had just gotten really kind of grungy from a week of being gone, and I threw some peppermint essential oil in the filter, and the entire living room smelled like a candy cane. So that's just a really nice touch and a nice way to kind of freshen up a space. And now both the family room and the kitchen are nice and clean. There's nothing better than fresh vacuum lines and clean countertops. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the front room and the dining room. So this room has gotten way out of hand with all of the toys and clutter. Originally, I only had like 4 or 5 toys in that cabinet, and it stayed pretty tidy. But over the last couple of weeks, we just keep adding to, and it's just gotten way too messy. But we're gonna pick it up and just kind of throw everything back in there for tonight. But here in the next couple of days or weeks, I'll definitely be going through that and reorganizing. It's hard to tell with this lighting, but here in the dining room, it was so messy because both Caleb and I kind of just shoved the place settings out of the way on this day, and we worked here and we worked together. And so my planner and all my organizing stuff is here, all of the mail, all of his laptop and his workspace was here. And so we just had to pick that up and put it back in our bedroom. And then all I had to do was just move the place settings back, and this room was pretty clean. And now that the entire main living space is clean and tidy, we can sit back, relax, and unwind. We were just watching football on this night. We are Seahawks fans. My husband is from Seattle, so we were just enjoying the game, and I was just folding some laundry, and this is just time that we like to spend together. My love language is quality time, and so anytime that we can sit, even if we're not doing the same thing, but we're in the same space and we can talk and connect, I really enjoy that. And so we're just going to enjoy our night, enjoy our clean space, go to bed with a peace of mind, and wake up tomorrow with a fresh new day, a new start. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was really casual and laid back. I promise I'll get back to more of my formal cleaning videos here in the next couple of days, and I have a ton of fun Christmas content coming soon. Make sure you hit that notification bell, say hey in the comments. I love connecting with you guys, and I'll see you all really soon in my next video. Bye guys.